I heard a jaguar. I heard it. I heard the jaguar. And this is my story. Deep in the Maya Mountains, it was night in the rainforest of Belize. The jungle was pitch black and silent, with a thick black and deafening silence you can only experience far away from the lights and sounds of people in the busy city. Dawn was coming, and I was ready and waiting for it, sitting quietly on my treetop deck with a hot cup of coffee in hand to watch the sleeping rainforest awaken. Through the darkness, chirping birds began breaking the calm of night and awakening the jungle with their morning song. Then, the first light of a sunbeam of dawn broke through the treetops with one golden ray, transforming the deep black forest screens into every imaginable shade of green. Sun rays cast shades of pink and purple over the mountains and the valley of the Saibon River far below. Flowering plants began to pop with vivid reds, whites, yellows, and purples as the warmth of the sun touched them with golden streams of light. Then I heard it deep. From the rainforest below came this sound. Listen. It's a jaguar. Listen again. Did you hear it? The sawing sound of the jaguar was joining the birds as it echoed through the jungle, its good morning call. I had seen the photo and heard the story of the owner of the resort seeing the jaguar on a walk. But on this morning, I had the rare privilege of hearing the jaguar for myself as it joined all the sounds of the rainforest, welcoming the dawning of a new day. Yes, I heard it. I heard the sound of the jaguar.